It's time to Whole30. You got this. Here's how Real Plans can help. When you first log into Real Plans, you'll get Melissa's plan, approved by Whole30's registered dietitian. If you're happy to go with the standard Whole30 diet, this plan includes a meal-by-meal walkthrough for all 30 days, with notes and leftovers. If you want Real Plans to lay out every single meal, this plan's for you. Or maybe you want to take the reins with a custom plan. Add additional food preferences, for example. Maybe you don't want to eat pork. Here's how you would do that. And as for the schedule, well, maybe you don't want every single meal scheduled. Here, you choose how many dinners you want to plan each week, whether you want to plan for leftovers, how many lunches you want, and whether or not you even want to include breakfast in the plan. Real Plans will then create a completely custom Whole30 fit for you. The last option is the simple meal plan. You want to throw a few Whole30 meals together, shop for them, and then decide when to eat them. You can look through the exact same recipes used for the calendar meal plans we've already looked at and pull together a few meals to shop for. But no matter which plan you pick, you'll end up with an automated grocery list. First off, check off anything you already have in your pantry. Then, when you get to the store, you'll feel great, knowing you have the perfect list of ingredients to cook everything you've planned out. Move around the store, checking things off your list. Kale, done. Oh, nut pods for my coffee, done. Look out for products with a Whole30 approved label on them. Real Plans will also allow extra items on the list that definitely won't appear in any recipes. And if you see something on sale at the store, you can also search for recipes and add them accordingly. Once everything is in the cart, boom, you are done. When you get home, open Real Plans to see how to cook the food. Then serve some deliciousness and start to make your way through your Whole30. Subscribers also love the fact that leftovers are baked into Real Plans. No one wants to cook 7 days a week. Real Plans can also help you plan out your reintroduction. Want to reintroduce dairy? Let Real Plans make some suggestions. One subscription gives you access to the website version of Real Plans and also all the mobile apps. You may want to sit on a laptop to plan everything out, then take your phone to the store. It's up to you. Once you sign up, you'll have plenty of support in case you need any help along the way. All web subscriptions are a risk-free purchase. You get a 10-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. So good luck. I hope Real Plans ends up being your bestest friend for your Whole30.